Hello, I'm Ashley, virtual presenter of the Innova Plus channel. Innova Plus News, MCTI and Embrapii is on the air, bringing publications available on the internet between February 28 and March 1, 2024. But before you start, be sure to subscribe to our channel here on YouTube. It's fast and free. If you have already signed up, then thank you so much for your support. Enjoy and press the notification bell to stay on top of the channel's news, and also like and share the videos you like on your social networks. Help us reach the 1,000 subscriber mark. Let's go to today's posts. First block, MCTI. News number 1, MCTI, February 28, 2024. MCTI announces the theme of the 21st National Science and Technology Week. The 21st National Science and Technology Week, SNCT, in Brazil will focus on the importance of biodiversity, knowledge and social technologies. The week, which will take place from October 14th to 20th, will be the largest event for the popularization of science in the country. The theme, Brazil's biomes, diversity, knowledge and social technologies, will address critical issues related to biodiversity, traditional knowledge and the transformative role of social technology. The 21st SNCT will bring together the scientific community, researchers, students, and the general public to discuss the complex nature of the Brazilian biosphere, highlighting its rich cultural diversity and knowledge accumulated over generations. The event will also promote actions aimed at science education and the popularization of science. The SNCT, created in 2004 by President Lula, is held annually during the month of October, in partnership with research units, advocacy agencies, scientific communities, universities, research institutions, schools, botanical gardens, state and municipal secretariats, technology-based companies and civil society entities. The objective is to mobilize the population about the importance of science as a tool for creating value, innovation, wealth, national challenges, social inclusion and improving the quality of life. News number 2, MCTI, February 28, 2024. Workshop brings together experts to review the Brazilian artificial intelligence strategy. The Ministry of Science, Technology and Innovation, MCTI, invited more than 30 researchers from the research and development (R&D) sector to review the Brazilian strategy for artificial intelligence (EBIA). The aim is to align the strategy with national interests and priorities. The meeting, held at the National School of Public Administration (ENAP) in Brasilia, will involve representatives of the private sector and civil society. The next step will involve public sector stakeholders. The secretary of the MCTI, Enrique Miguel, believes that the revision is necessary due to the rapid evolution and use of AI. He emphasizes the need for a new proposal that includes measures that the federal government can implement to ensure better use of AI. The review began in December 2023, with the first workshop focused on AI applications in areas such as health, education, agriculture, energy, and energy transition. News number 3, MCTI, February 28, 2024. MCTI hosts free conference on social technology and solidarity economy. The Ministry of Science, Technology and Innovation, MCTI, will participate in the free conference on social technology, solid economy and assistive technology, from February 28 to 29. The conference aims to discuss how technology can provide solutions to concrete problems faced by the Brazilian population. The first day will feature the participation of the Secretary of Science and Technology for Social Development of the MCTI, Inácio Arruda, who emphasizes the importance of popular participation in the debates. The second day will feature Minister Luciana Santos, who will discuss the importance of thinking about a new science, technology and innovation policy, as well as the role of social technology. The conference is part of the preparations for the 5th National Conference on Science, Technology and Innovation, which will be held in Brazil on June 4, 5 and 6. The event will be broadcast live on MCTI's YouTube page. News number 4, MCTI, February 29, 2024. In a meeting with Abisemi, the minister reinforces the importance of the reactivation of CEITEC and a new industrial policy. The Minister of Science, Technology and Innovations, Luciana Santos, met with representatives of the Association of Brazilian Semiconductor Industries, Abisemi, in Brazil. The main topics discussed were the new industry Brazil, the reactivation of CEITEC and the support program for the technological development of the semiconductor and display industry, PODIs. The president of Abisemi, Rogério Nunes, announced that the association will complete 10 years of operation in 2024, with companies investing more than 7.5 billion Brazilian reals in Brazil. The government is working to solve technological challenges and ensure the competitiveness of companies. Among the measures adopted are the reversal of CEITEC's liquidation process and the implementation of a new industrial policy that includes public procurement, local content and technology transfer. The minister also classified ICTs and PODIs as successful cases in the country. News number 5, MCTI, February 29, 2024. G20 preparatory meeting discusses the role of the bioeconomy with the participation of the MCTI. The Ministry of Science, Technology and Innovation, MCTI, participated in the second preparatory meeting for the G20 Bioeconomy Initiative, held at the Embrapii Palace in Brasilia. The event was attended by the Executive Secretary of the MCTI, Luis Fernandes, and the Director of the Department of Theoretical Programs of the Secretariat of Strategic Policies and Programs, Leandro Pedron. Representatives of governments, universities and institutions participated in discussions to establish Brazil's main interests and serve as a basis for discussions with other countries at the G20. The main topics discussed were the role of the bioeconomy in Brazil's energy transition, income generation and the reduction of social inequality. The G20 is the main forum for international economic cooperation and includes 19 countries and 2 regional organizations. The Leaders' Summit meeting is scheduled for November 18th and 19th in Rio de Janeiro. Second block, Embrapii. News number 6, Embrapii, February 28, 2024. Companies can use resources from the ICT Law to make a technological association. Companies can use resources from the ICT Law to make technological associations, such as knowledge generation and expansion, HR training, and access to state-of-the-art infrastructure. Companies benefiting from the ICT Law have an opportunity to boost their research, development and innovation, RD&I, strategies and present the mandatory percentage of investments in RD&I. Embrapii competence centers will execute projects in frontier technologies with the potential to create new industrial routes and establish innovative business models. The proposal is to foster an environment of collaborative innovation, where companies can come together to drive technological development together. 3 types of project templates that companies will be able to declare in the RDA include the Development and Innovation Plan, RD&I, Human Resources Training and Capacity Building Plan for RD&I, and Infrastructure Acquisition and Expansion Plan. The Embrapii competence centers have an unprecedented model for fostering innovation in the country, capable of shortening distances between national companies and the frontier of knowledge in emerging technological areas. News number 7, Embrapii, February 29, 2024. Embrapii participates in debates on innovation, entrepreneurship and sustainability in federal higher education institutions. Embrapii participated in debates on innovation, entrepreneurship and sustainability in federal educational institutions. The Ministry of Education, MEC, promoted the 2 national seminar on the strengthening of federal educational institutions and brought together representatives of various entities. The Embrapii Institute for Industrial Research and Innovation participated in the debates on technological innovation, instruments and challenges for ICT enterprise integration. President Chico Saboia highlighted the importance of Embrapii for the development of the new industry Brazil. Embrapii has already supported more than 2.4 million innovation projects and 1.6 million Brazilian industries, with a turnover of approximately 3.5 billion Brazilian reals. Embrapii has 94 units in various areas of research, 45 of which are federal and 1.9 billion Brazilian reals allocated to the Federal Education Network. The agenda of the event was attended by the Ministry of Education, Ministry of Science, Technology and Innovation and representatives of the Brazilian Confederation of Junior Enterprises and the Brazilian Service of Micro and Small Enterprises. The event was held in Brasilia from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m., with online broadcast. News number 8, Embrapii, February 29, 2024. Embrapii will hold the first Embrapii Missions Workshop on March 4. Embrapii will hold its first Innovation Office on March 4. The event will bring together entrepreneurs and government representatives to present the new program and discuss the challenges in developing technological solutions. The event will focus on identifying priority technological challenges in health, digital transformation, bioeconomy and energy transformation, in addition to presenting the criteria that guide the initiative and aim to stimulate industrial development in Brazil. The Embrapii office maintains its agility and flexibility, and is part of the actions to achieve the objectives of neo-industrialization proposed by the federal government. The new program is an alternative to support complex projects and aligns with the challenges defined by the National Council for Industrial Development, CNDI. The goal is to strengthen and make the Brazilian industry more competitive globally. The initiative will allocate 190 million Brazilian reals in non-reimbursable resources and will focus on supporting innovation and technological development. News number 9, Embrapii, March 1, 2024. Innovation projects submitted to Rota 2030 are 3 times the amount made available in the public notice. CEITEC and Embrapii received 9 proposals for innovation projects in the automotive sector, totaling 407 million Brazilian reals. The projects, which involve collaborations between companies and research institutes, aim to promote disruptive development in the automotive sector for technological independence in strategic areas. The projects are executed and monitored by various agents, including science and technology institutes, partners and associations. CEITEC and Embrapii have a robust model for promoting competitiveness in an international context of great innovation. The initiative has already invested 157 million Brazilian reals in 68 R&D+I projects, of which 58 million Brazilian reals has been invested in productivity and digitalization.